Roof repair Madison Heights is essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Whether you need roof leak repair, emergency roof repair, or regular roof maintenance, our expert roofing contractors in Madison Heights are here to help. We specialize in roof inspection Madison Heights services to identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Our team is skilled in roof replacement Madison Heights, ensuring your home is protected with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. For those dealing with shingle repair Madison Heights, our roofing experts can quickly and efficiently address any damage. Flat roof repair Madison Heights is another area of our expertise, providing solutions that extend the life of your roof. Roof restoration Madison Heights services are available to rejuvenate your existing roof, saving you money and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Roof damage repair Madison Heights is crucial after severe weather events, and our team is ready to assist with roof patching and roof waterproofing Madison Heights. Roof sealing Madison Heights is a preventative measure that can protect your roof from leaks and water damage. Our roof flashing repair Madison Heights services ensure that all roof components are securely sealed and functioning properly. Roof gutter repair Madison Heights is vital for proper water drainage, preventing water damage to your home's foundation. Roof tile repair Madison Heights is available for homes with tile roofing, ensuring each tile is intact and secure. Roof vent repair Madison Heights is essential for maintaining proper ventilation and preventing moisture buildup. In the event of severe weather, our roof storm damage repair Madison Heights services are available to address any damage caused by wind, hail, or snow. Roof hail damage repair Madison Heights and roof wind damage repair Madison Heights are critical for maintaining the structural integrity of your roof. Roof snow removal Madison Heights and roof ice dam removal Madison Heights are necessary during the winter months to prevent roof collapse and water damage. Roof moss removal Madison Heights and roof cleaning Madison Heights are important for maintaining the appearance and longevity of your roof. Our roofing contractor Madison Heights team is experienced in all aspects of roof repair and maintenance, ensuring your home is protected year-round. Trust our experts for all your roofing needs in Madison Heights, MI. From emergency roof repair Madison Heights to routine roof maintenance Madison Heights. Contact us today for a comprehensive roof inspection Madison Heights and keep your home safe and secure. In addition to repairs, our team offers preventative roof maintenance Madison Heights to help homeowners avoid expensive issues down the line. Regular inspections and timely roof repairs Madison Heights can extend the lifespan of your roof, improve energy efficiency, and maintain your home's value. We tailor our services to meet the unique needs of each property, providing personalized solutions and professional advice to ensure long-term protection. When it comes to quality and reliability, our roof repair Madison Heights services stand out. We use only premium materials and the latest techniques to guarantee durable results, whether it's a small repair or a full roof replacement. Homeowners in Madison Heights can rely on our skilled team to handle everything from minor shingle repairs to major roof restoration projects, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is in capable hands.